koratiga KCB abo bangire kongelo nabwate deni yabo nabwate deni igwa nabwate loan yabo achereru bichikuruma ete bintu byarenge byayo achereru gwakana kerana kora nkabakana buya lakini bono kuna mwante biri kwenda ne kubeka erinde bono nkoreki erinde nyore nkonye magacho nare mbwatari na ngonte ibare yani ni mbwata around 60 something thousand
so you wrote a very long passage what happened
passage korati ganda kutebiga it kware komboli na my rogue my bold
yes
abanta aba UDA CS Machogu ekero narenge UDA abantu bagachete UDA in Kisii County abantu bagachete bakagera UDA kaba egento yachete kaba ninje nabamanyete ekero nanganye kurwo no batigarete bakarwanirira Machogu sana. And you may not believe during the campaigns Senator Onyonka na Simba Arati ebare kuntuoma obesana obotamero bwane bwarenge gari asina maeta abantu aba UDA bono umumura barusiti oregote nobo MCA Kitutu Central Ward Korku Justin agacha gote nobo chumbe bakamu abandon along the street ekerba kura chikura erebe ibire piko mwakende ibako abayiri babo n'abasani babo aya bari baro umumura nari buna gusiro renge coordinator Kisii County ngima oreko coordinate keregendo bamwebire pi igo batang igo bakunya kwatebe ukorati gantura beba lakini banya kubeka abayiri babo n'abasani babo igo ekeren kuburia igento bunekyo okuno korama keren kuburia Justin egasi urwanirete UDA no korama nduo umusani okoroku Maubi Andrew bamu tebeti nanya kuruga abwa sori waipa nintu UDA tokwegasi kuruerio mpaka boniga mbaramu akende eserikali yenda ete kuboliga Bugitutu South nturaeu any appointment igo UDA bari bagete chikura UDA abandange chibuko mina barobumba mbabwente kwa ukende. That is why we are asking na into a share yubago teba shareholding bari bagete nkego mutako ba shareholding into beyond mbiko anda nyali bari bigende kugirango so what we are saying is this mchetimbu ati issue kwamba oligoro passage na ligete igoro yaki
yomoshike Onyonka
inkinali ligete na kiale hote
you said ongo kurwaniale what's your relationship with Senator
bono ntetengo tebi ncheno kijana geke I have tried okolegasi no mu senator dilitwarenge ODM ilinanganyete go ODM litangani igagecheti usana I don't know why singenchabwate a candidate yae ODM nominations baga frustrate lakini ngaeta bakaenda paka kuligichi candidate koru asanga okubarenta bache kondwa ngacha paka nkamumira na Simba nkabate ibono ngitokorwana getole patia ya mutu takubwaterana. However Simba gantei no now we are in the same party tigatokolegasi Senator Mugaso oteba no tole patia ya butuko opponent chianare go host 1 week to elections akaendo si opponent yane na no muntu kulige kerogie county ama chaya manene bono tugakura ayo nkabwa tambu atiseti aende ntindete ambu atisi na akorire na achakire gasi yane buri abananchi egasi ngokora ekine kigendo kya munyu bono nerekere ngokora ebitina bantu ba omaete boniga omaete kijana kianege kurukuhoresa ekeroge kuri kebintu ebine birengererio biane onye mbiri biane gonkumwakera mara moja mukaniae takuriko bintu bunebi gosomo manager ne Dennis Nyangwara gosomo chairman of CDF okuruku Alphonse gosomo secretary okuruku Walter however ere abantu bae na ba kunya gutara buna epara bune na rosi araganga na arwani konyora ya chire bune bine bintu byarigeti ukare mbono bikorosi byarigeti Orwo oakana bamura social media bara amasimba baongora Simba incha sengencho na amwire ko kolega sina Simba. You fighting Simba does not make work happen. It doesn't. We tuikire bonase tubuente kolenda ebintu bitu mbisaleka. Tubuate Simba akore what he can. County to improve. One kerana tebire want to work with Simba. Aba murabali ya wakana bamanye ko ba ngongora the whole day as a group. Eba goteba Simba ne Shakahola. Shakahola governor. Bako bwaterana na Kibagendi gako ando Simba ochku ichwezi. Mbese ki governor ako ntinomo chumbe already. Governor is doing his job. I'm just supporting Elinde a county to improve. Number 2, I'm in the same party with governor. So supporting governor, if you have issues with the governor, why do you bring me in? Aba muraba manyakoro ba ngongora the whole day. Ereka kukwana nae ogotebi mangana taiyo. Paka liritore chikura baikaransete no murugione. Ekanisa kando iga akamotebi nche timbwati issue na Kibagendi. I'm supporting Kibagendi. Motebi ta basa korengere natini kumo support. That same day marogova nalia chete go endorse my opponent. So senator ni mosigete lakini talina igo moboete ekina kindete ngotebi. Ni mosigete buno mo senator ito. Neransike. Ega asi akorete we appreciate and everywhere I go igongo tebe senator anja akorete gasingia let me pick it up from here going forward. Atige kunya kumbete biara na abantu bae naendi onye karoche igago sokio amatimo nchego tete ngende ngedise no mondo tari kwenyara no na njengo sokia ebintu byane
igo enero enchire yao yobra because and maybe it's good to discuss this there that I notar ko mo kanye ko so respond was that is how you handle your issues.
No, let me tell you I obo kanye igo anya kondwa ni nchenkire igo nali einere ko bagoke abantu bae bane kondama bagenda matanga bane kokwa na buna batagete baogererwa nche na inkire buna igo noko bo mukanye ku no my friend ekingeko eyensia satole ntuli kanisa Senator Onyonka atige kungainererie kerago che studio buna me I respect ubuno bolimo. The truth is this, Senator Onyonka is fighting me. I respect him. I don't fear him. That one I'm saying very clearly. And if he crosses my line, I will also come in very hard. Eyen siasa amangana ye miaka agata hiyo. Buno ino mwana nini no monto na minyoka nere siasa 3 times. Ombuire. Although 2017 I feel it tambueti. Lakini bono that is aside. Bono I'm the MP. Onye kabwate candidate tie tigage ndrego chipanga. We will deal with them in 2027. Atige konya kwebisa asoke agendrego to mabantu bae to functions. I have no problem with that. Lakini program yane batige ko tema go take credit on my programs. Number 2 batige ko ndama. Asenge na inche nimbwata abantu baraiganiri. Na inche no ninche bweka na bonko iraniri. Igoto sikane. If you have issues with Simbarati, deal with Simbarati. Inche I will work with the governor right now. Nera sako genda bobe squeeze to kurangerani to ikaransa. Ondangeri obisi ya na mote governor. Gaki chi kwerende pending bills echi otagwa kana abantu erinde chibese chisakilete bosonga abantu barencharembe simbonte bitu akolire gokora analysis tu akolire kurigereria bali bakorete gasi asinge njombaro ba supply tembeo nko bakana tore bali barentre papers cyabo tu achire chi project tu arorire ngwakano bali tu ikaransa tu igwana asobo komubule onye namangana abantu bakubutwe gasi kusaba buna bono. There are some people nyagitari from my constituency montate niwe gasi yeti garwarete na haron kubori governor umwana buno yo rwarete inkito bwate high handedness na abagambi ba ototabe no mutenerwe nyagitari osomo sub county administrator gosemo to ikaransa twagamba twaigwana nere na moteri aba MC aba bao rora mbacha baseri ukurwe biro bakonye project iberesa to chikore kasi chiwodi chiabo naende na arore chigo koreka chipara unabona babo yagi mbakora chipara babo rayo mbakora chipara my brother Vincent Abuga na akora chipara Amos na akora para no umonto Kitutu Central MCA my brother na akora para. You see, so instead of fighting, continually fighting, sometimes it is about consulting.
Okay,
we consult tali na njinko mukerego wango no onye kogocha neri itimo igonche ngende ngiba chombete kurumage ya eyen siasa. We are not in a wedding, we are not in church. Amaskani nento kia muhimu tago chagai radio ukwana different out there, ukwana different. And another thing, my brother Lawrence, wananchi wanajua. Kwa hivyo tuheshimiane.
Okay.
Tuheshimiane. Naende nche kerengo criticize, igongo criticize straight away. Tindi kwenda kwenye kubiki bitina na ata na kuligi nago tebikando. Na ligi tena na mo tebikando. Na ligi no, igongo teba straight. Elinde bintu byaba clear.
Okay.
Yes.
On that issue, by the way, account government, matuko president here we get 60 days signature function chitakere kwa counties to counties is over. Those functions chikogenda which counties muna leadership ya usi wose unasubrai we know what next.
Umaete functions ya county government number 1 ekere president yo kwa negento. Nowadays I don't trust him. Kirigentago teva no bolimu. Na kingo teveria ba Kenya, we should not allow this to go on for 10 years. Tuebange civil servants moroche buna mogo safa. We are breaking the law every day. A pay slip boniga, most civil servants igere below the third elie vekire kisheria. Ono naende gagende to kobeterite naende komentare NHIF naende komentare ushuru. So njebi inte president yako teva, I don't trust him. He has become a liar. Na abantu bae babeira abantu bubu ngainereri every day. So ekerago tebna functions chigende a county, sincerely speaking, umuntu otari sincere from the start. Na kiora expect you on that issue ave sincere. Counties need to be given their functions. Bakore nechi county na chiroche toko bateriga pakumo governor ito gaki move with speed. Move with speed, elinda abantu barora magendero naro ye county. Kira sogo tara na bokora chi project chia CDF bobazi, CDF bonchari, CDF bo South Mugirango CDF. Ne county nero ntuta ite korra chi project chiabo. Chi para chiabo. Amagendero naro ye county. Toko buatera na vunaba chumbe. To buatera ne county, ne national government. Our area will transform. What they already have, can they do it well? Kisii County is improving. No revenue collection from KTRH are improving. You know, so we are saying improve. We like how Governor agutara chinyegitari buna mwisonda agenda gatare polytechnic akanaru mwalimu iga amezembea. So we are saying that is what we want to see. Chiriba buate kwanza tigabara atema ku utilize torore na kigasi yogo koreka. Echichinde to ganyete chikoreki. Obolimo boboere function ye chinyare go trimboka go chasi county. But for now, can the counties demonstrate what they have? They can do it well. That is what we can push right now.
Let's talk about role ya National Assembly assembly and oversight. Juzi President ya signed a bill ko ala serikali go privatize government institutions without necessarily what kuboria assembly.
Lawrence kwa na igon koigu.
A lot of wisdom was lack of wisdom from our
koigu mariga asengencho. Lawrence, President William Ruto and UDA ngosali balance yetu. Let me tell you how. Number 1, boniga bali mwaro chibatagorere twe kwerende siokimao atiriva. What is happening is this. Eserekari yeye William Ruto, when he was campaigning, igatebete muntu tagorero naende nyomba na rigadi nera agateba before that can be done, a security council ego ikaransa yabanga abantu abanka ibako ba moved to ose ba negotiate onyobole mubobole grabbed ba negotiate bwa kanerwa the market rate yechinse icho yechi engakiyo kwagendera komenyaga. You may not believe obole mubole ba tagorere tabantu through this privatization bago kwana bago tumia chinguru bunge because of their numbers paetia improper laws igo bataite konia amare maria ayande mbarobu bakweoneria lero ba advertise ringa seti manyaga ali asebatagorere tabantu una bono onde bwensi utaite kugora bona bakoira nache kugora. Why didn't they say amare mayankoni tore koraiga onye kwagachete in that area. Tell us how you are required the land. If it is irregular, akana bono tokone. Inki mogotagorera abantu. What they have done, eba tagoire ense monere bataite kwe allocate. Bono ense memo bamanya kokoraki. Bamanya koni. And the president knows. Na amanye tegento kegendrete. Na abwate interest. Lakini kakoboliu mwateba Kibagendi igare rogue. And nae kwambori ririswari. Privatization ye. Ekerogo privatize without the representatives of the people.
Passed the law.
That is where I'm telling you. Parliament has been captured. Ntegerereiga. Noche on the health committee. Health committee ntu arenterwe gento $1 billion yekorokwa social health insurance fund. Social health insurance fund igobatagete goita NHIF. Aseki bakore NHIF babutaba kollegas ba NHIF banyore libaga lyo employee abantu babo. Bamanya kuruo the main responsibility of NHIF was any social health insurance is to deal with again the approvals ediogo ikanyagitari kwa rabagwa kesi mina naki geteno yonko muruari tole ose Lawrence yo nko eware amariogo. That is called approval. Na ende bamanya kuruo baadaye baka Lawrence yoruariwe chibesa ruariwe 17,000 komo ngo chieti torakanwe. Those two are the main roles of any social health insurance fund. Again to approvals and claims management. Do you know again they keep from the authority to private companies. Private companies you will see it is happening in less than 1 year. Number 2, ebataite kubutaba kollegas ba NHIF for nothing. Aba kollegas NHIF mekora igobare less than 50 bali bako ibachibese ose 100. Aba bande nkibako butero. Number 2, bamanyire koruo naende bagatebire buna omonto gochikobe CEO ye kwerendeyo babegete qualifications yo maetechi ebapimete gete nae wekero geki nabo kumanya na lazima atware sauti engaiga lazima atware degree engaiga ne yani mumaete na oyo nere bweka obwate qualifications echo tugapinga as a committee paka bali bare UDA bali bare Kenya Kwanza tugateba kubutaba kuri gasba NHIF. No, you must absorb them into the new authority. Na bomuko butabari babere batato batari straight. Number 2, no investment of funds from NHIF. Investment yeyu reason ne ndiro ko ibuna okwanda nyagitari watebiu mtuntori korwali bantu babwate NHIF na siki NHIF tera tuakana. So we said chibes NHIF nchi ko ba invested tigachibera account baroba etiri unachia invested. Number 3, tukakana staff mbabutwa. Number 4, no outsourcing of the critical important aspect of the authority. Do you know a report yeito igo yagende kaba altered. Tukateba mbabasa commenta chibese NHIF kuruchiri bono chiriboni basugumire bataite chibese 2.75%, which we cannot afford. My brother, the issue here is Parliament noere, but it is captured. My brother Soron Koigwa, Ekata Etegento, Maramocha, Igakurigia Vantebe Seiga, Baby Secho, Abande, Vagenda Mum, Nakikeriba Eteriti, finance bill, Tonyare Tepacaboni. So we have a problem. Abarai to a choreta represent Yabanto, Vachire Bocore individual. Nakiokunya Kombore, Ruto no Mosanio. I'm representing the people who elected me. And I am in the National Assembly. National Assembly, nabongo kuwa na noena mangana Mombasa. Noena ya Kisumu, because I'm in the National Assembly. I'm representing the people. Only my issue is to represent William Ruto. Diorina boko yugingo mwake la chinkobi, ekere, a constituency emo, South Mugirange go to 200 million chiakera. Kitutu not yet 150 million chakera into 12 nothing was about child. But I'm asking, we are all paying taxes. Why are you mistreating other people?
Have you raised this?
Yes. Yet now I'm going to write a letter to the speaker to the chairman of the budget committee, to the treasury CS, and to the control of budget, and even to ombudsman Koboria, unfair distribution of resources. Eyetari about UDF na mwanga kerete kura mwanga kerete. Eba ango banto na ba UDF okabako wakana. That we must ask, and that we must question. And let me tell you, some of these people, Wabugete, they are being favored. That becomes a curse because you are stealing from us. What should have come to us has been taken to you. You are getting curses. And probably you don't get re-elected. We must be careful. We must fight for each other. I don't know him. I have never met him. I just know the schemes that are going on. Lakini baribari UDF babwente kumurwanira bamaete abande bago sabali yaki korato egendo abande baikaransi koru state house koru office of the deputy president. They cannot question anything. So ekeren kubodi, my brother, talibuna igonde rogue, igonde bold, and I'm doing egasieri muangete nchiko bakorera as representative of the people. Parliament yero on this issue ya privatization, it is very, very sad. Aseki iko bagweti mo bako banga bunabona igole bari kurangirania butuko aba Kenya kwanza mo make sure mambi no muri bunge egento nkere totaite gweti no tokarere. But I want to tell you, yani kende nkiyo bago kora on top of the table kiregento no bokora go frustrate Kenyans, go take advantage of Kenyans. The systematic oppression of Kenyans that William Ruto and his government will commit on Kenyans. I'm telling you, William Ruto will not go for the second term. Kenyans have suffered. Kenyans are suffering. Kenyans will not take it anymore. And I want to tell you, my brother, you cannot have a second chance for your first impression. Yani ayote ebi musubati buna nimbuateke. Nigago chakorora tubuati gazi nesto wo gutumia. Tubuati stima nekebe yo gutumia. Tubuati nini na bago vumilia karoche go work hard. Lakini ole go kumurusi naenda se stop umuire ni buchi asinko. Go kumurusi ase kebe atake go kurigererie ekwirende ekegenga. Taki go bonuruche nabe. Ta go tamaira ne so stima sere. So what we are saying is this: we regret, some of us. Ekeretu uhuru ariko totainaki. Umonto yongo cha kubaikaransira ale bobe. Umonto yongo cha kubaumisari. Tomotebi my friend ya ikora igo taite kubetereri mogendere chi dynasty. Oni ganoroche what is happening. Even Mount Kenya, people are complaining. So ekerengo complain. It is not that I am wrong. I'm just bold. Ege ntongo sabaneki mba ngita for telling them the truth.
Idakale kumenye cha chukire kumena sana cha tegele tumakoro gachisa inyeche bono mambe mwanjo motegele ando so tegele kule nege sa FM ngwa ya moni tinge
ushinde na view sasa ya irani nechinguru ebwere chibu chichwesa kila lituko asogo tengera ebipindi mwetera view sasa asishiringi komichoka mupate omubui okela lituko chilingi chibu